is sleeping in her warm and cozy bed.
What is that bright light coming through my window? Oh, wow! Look at all the beautiful white snow outside. I need to tell Jack about the snow right now.
Jack, wake up! You have to see this. It snowed.
What? Snow? Really? Let me see it right now.
Mom,
Dad, it snowed.
It snowed.
Can we go outside,
please?
Good morning. Let's build a big snowman together as a family today.
Everyone, come to the mudroom to get dressed warmly.
Here are all your warm winter clothes on the bench.
Let me help you put on your warm pink jacket, Anna. I love my pink mittens. They are so soft and warm.
Mom, I cannot find my other mitten anywhere. Help! Where is it? I really need my mitten for the snow. Here it is, Jack. I found it hiding behind your boot. Let me help you zip up your jacket all the way.
We're all ready now. Can we please go outside? Whoa, look at the beautiful snow in our backyard. The snow is so soft and crunchy under my boots.
This is perfect snowman snow. Nice and fluffy.
A snowman needs 3 snowballs, big, medium, and small.
Let's start rolling. Push the snow like this, Jack.
Look how big our snowball is getting.
Wow, it is getting really big now. We did great.
It is too heavy. I cannot push it anymore, Anna.
Dad, can you please help us? This ball is too heavy.
Of course. Let me help you push this big snowball.
Now we need to make the middle ball for the body.
Here we go. I will lift it up on top carefully.
Now we put the small snowball on top for his head. He needs a face. Our snowman has no eyes or nose.
Let's find things to make his face. I have ideas. Now our snowman can wave hello to everyone walking by. I will get a carrot from the kitchen for his nose. Here is a perfect orange carrot for the snowman's nose.
I will put the carrot right in the middle. Perfect. I have black buttons from my sewing box for his eyes.
This red scarf will keep our snowman nice and warm.
I found this old hat. Can you lift me up, Dad?
We made him together.
He is so beautiful and friendly. Stand next to the snowman. I want to remember this day.
Look at me. I am making a funny face like the snowman. Hey, Anna, catch this. A soft little snowball for you.
Hey, I will get you back, Jack. Here comes another one. Okay, everyone. Time for hot cocoa inside the warm house. Goodbye, Mr. Snowman. We will see you again tomorrow.
I hope he stays there all winter long. Bye, snowman. Let's get warm and dry by the nice, cozy fireplace.
Look at our beautiful snowman through the frosty window. Today was the best day. I love my family so much.